Yes.
Down. Yes. Yes. Last day of archery season. Oh yeah. Oh. This is great.
We have nothing. We are enjoying. Good job, man. Alright, good morning everybody. This is Brad, Total Impact Outdoors. We're still in Ohio. This is our second day in Ohio. This is Sunday. And I'm out here hunting with my cousin, Mike Ackerman. I'm in kind of a little bit of a brushy bowl here on the edge of just a green field. I already saw 2 coyotes. One was like a black phase, which was super awesome to see, but and I saw a couple of small bucks up here on the hill too. Just waiting here to see what else we see. I'm gonna stay after it here in Ohio. See what happens. Right over there. Perfect shot. Quartering away. About 25 yards. I put it right on him. Boom. Total Impact Outdoors, baby. Got that buck tag filled here in Ohio. That's awesome. That buck came past me earlier, and I think he circled downwind of the corn there. And I don't know where he went. I don't know if he was just right down there or he went down that bottom. But he came back in and gave me a perfect shot. And I was gonna pass that up. I don't have much time done here in Ohio. I just ran out here for the weekend with the family. And he was good enough for me. He has a goofed up side, but I don't care. Nice buck. I just put it on him and killed him. Thank the Lord up above for all his blessings. And I'm shaking. Well, we got the recovery crew. This is service. Preferred land. And drive the truck right up there. We got the food plot in a sack over here. You don't see that in Pennsylvania. Boy, look at that rub over there. Oh, and the log right there. Yeah, it's immediate. You see that? Yeah, that's right where I shot him, and we got blood right away. We don't need the track. We got somebody up there that was a little too impatient. He's up there waiting for us. Dean's on him already. He got him propped up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 point.
7-pointer. All goofy on that one side, huh?
Just straight up.
Pretty cool buck. Well, here he is. He gave us he actually walked past us a little bit earlier in the morning. Didn't really give me a good opportunity. I had him at like 50 yards, and then he circled down to like 30, but never gave me a shot. And then a little bit, probably like hour and a half later, he came back up through, and he went right to the corn pile. About a 26-yard shot, quartered away. Perfect shot, buried in his offside shoulder. He didn't make it far, probably about 50 yards here. So I just want to thank my cousin Mike for letting me sit in his stand this morning. And then these guys over here, this little guy over here, he's over here tracking it for me, so appreciate that. But pretty awesome morning in the woods. Saw about 5 deer, 2 coyotes, 9 gobblers. A pretty active morning, which that makes it easy to sit there for a few hours, right? So just thank God for the harvest, and another Ohio buck down for Total Impact Outdoors. A pretty cool part of this story is that my cousin Mike had actually sent me a picture of this buck back in August. And here it was November, and I was able to take this buck with my bow. As you can see by this text message conversation, he sent me a picture of a bigger buck and this buck, and I actually made the comment, I'll shoot the weird looking one. Which is pretty cool that, this all came full circle, and we had this discussion months prior, and now I'm able to harvest this buck with my bow. We appreciate you all watching, and please consider subscribing to Total Impact Outdoors.